Why is everyone buying this ergonomic office chair? That's what we're going to be covering in today's video. Before I show you the features, I'm going to tell you what I believe is the number one reason everyone's buying this specific ergonomic office chair right now. Currently, this office chair is selling over 1,050 units per month. This office chair alone is selling over 1,050 units per month. That is beyond a home run seller. But if you pair that with this other stat, it makes it very clear why this is the one everyone's buying. It also has hundreds of 4.4 average star ratings. That means there are over 1,000 people every month buying this product and hundreds of people that are taking time out of their day because they like it so much, leaving a positive review, many of them written. When we average 4.4 stars, we're in home run category. Anything above 4 stars with at least 50 ratings gives you a solid idea that if you're looking for this kind of product, this is the one to go with. The fact that we have actual sales data and actually hundreds of people telling you how they like it and why they like it so much, that's the number one reason why everyone's buying this. But let's get into the actual features of this. So some of the stuff I like about it, this leather is very soft. It even has like a perforated vibe here. So you've got some kind of like airflow in here, but it is just a very soft leather. I mean, you got to touch it. You want to touch it. It feels really good. You've got leather on the whole thing. So even on the armrests, and you've got extra padding in certain spots, like the headrest here. You've even got like an extra foam pad in there. Gives you that extra comfort if you're putting your head back at all. But it's leather all the way around, and it's got a really cool look to it. I think with the perforated and the stitching in there, it just kind of has a really nice look and feel. I like that. So first thing I really like is I like these armrests a lot, and they do actually come up if you need to like tuck it into your desk or something like that at the end of the day, or if maybe you just don't want your armrests. But these have a really nice padding on it. You're not going to worry about getting any weird indentations or feeling pressure points or anything like that. If you sit in this chair, let me get a vibe for it real quick. Okay, so what we can do back here, we can lock it in place so it's no longer rocking and it's just stable, or we can unlock it if we want more of that rocking vibe. I think if you're getting this more for work, I think you want the option of having that rocking vibe. It gives you more of an ability to find kind of like a flow or a meditation. Maybe you're on a sales call or something like that, or maybe you're just stressed out and you need to kind of like, move something. I think that's really nice to have. Personally, I just really like the rocking vibe. Now, when we go into the height, this is at our low height. I'm about 5'10", so you can see, very easy for me here. We'll go to the high setting. Okay, so what I notice about this, and that's a really good high setting. So you can see my heels are off the ground now. So this is definitely going to be great for, I would say, people 6'3", 6'5". I mean, it's good for taller people. So that's definitely good. I like the differential. This is a much higher, much bigger height difference than you get with a lot of these chairs in this category. Let me just look at the number that we paid for this just so I can, this is an incredible value. So when I'm looking at the number on the product page, this is an absolutely incredible value. And there's something very cool that you're not going to find on most office chairs. I think we've only found this on 1 or 2 others. Now, we have purchased and reviewed 150 or a crazy amount of office chairs. We built them and reviewed them. This is a high-end vibe right here. It's got a pump for your ergonomic back support, and I can actually feel that inflating back here. It's making that back much more firm. And if we wanted to let it out, we just have a button right here. We just press that, and I can feel the back deflating. What I love about this is a higher-end vibe. You're typically only finding this on higher-end ergonomic office chairs. The ones we found it on before are like way more than the number on the product page for this one. And it's typically more of that executive big and tall vibe. So you're getting a lot of high-quality components in this budget ergonomic office chair category. This is a higher-end ergonomic design. Most of them just have adjustment back here. The fact that you're getting that air pump, it allows you to customize it to get exactly the right amount of back support that you need and that you want. I think I pretty much covered everything. The base is very solid. Love that. It rolls very easily. You got that 360-degree swivel. 400-pound weight capacity. This almost puts it in between a big and tall and regular chair category Definitely not technically big and tall, but good for beyond average height people. So good for taller people. And with a 400-pound weight capacity, that can handle a lot of poundage. And I really can feel it in the build here, especially with the seat. That's going to over time be able to handle that increased pressure without caving. So I think that makes it a really big buy. Ultimately, at the end of the day, it's very easy for me to understand why everyone is buying this ergonomic office chair. I think if you're looking at it, this is probably the one to go with.